Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well. And so on today's vlog, I'll just be doing what? I'm gonna go wash my hair and I'll show you guys what I get up to after that. I'm not really sure, but it's more like a spend a day with me type of thing. But yeah, yo guys, my hair is so messed. Even I think my hairline is even gone because I did my hair. So I didn't like how the lady started plaiting my hair because we'll sort it out. So yeah, let's go wash my hair. I'll also show you guys the products that I got from Footies. So yeah, it's for painting and people with sugar diabetes and what else I forgot, but I'll show you guys. So guys, here are the products that I got. They have like, I actually got like 4 different flavors. This is the grape soda, and this one is berry, and this is cola and cream soda, and also this is the raspberry jelly. I want to show you guys what are these things for actually. Oh, use footies for drinks. You got ice lollies, jelly, baking, dessert, slushies, and more. I think we'll make a slush with this one. We'll see. And also, yeah, it's passion fruit. Which flavor is this one? It's raspberry. So yeah guys, that's what I got from Footies. I think I should try one drink before I go do my hair. I hope it tastes well, but I think I have tasted one, so it's not bad. It tastes good for, yeah, even though it's like sugar free, zero what, but it tastes well. It's not bad. You can even dish with this. So okay guys, we're gonna try one. Let me see which one should I try. I think I should try this berry one. So yeah, I hope. Guys, here we are. Okay, now it's time. I hope that you taste that one. Okay, it's very nice. I like it. I think but I got the whiskey, the cognac, and lady in like a deshakayana, and also it's more like it doesn't have sugar value because it's free sugar, and you can get this at Discam. Yeah, and also it's like, or it doesn't have any allergies, and also what else that's important? Yeah, I think that's that. It's very nice. I love it. It's sugar free. Diabetes can have it, and also for painting. Oh, and also people with diabetes. Yes. Let me finish my drink, then we can go wash my hair. Guys, I think we'll also make a slush later on with this one so that we can try it out, or maybe I don't know what else we can do. Jelly. Now we don't want to do jelly. Oh, ice lollies. We can try ice lollies or slush. Yeah, because you also can't have a drink with this, but you can also make a drink with it, but you don't want to make a drink because you already have drinks in here. So maybe we can try something different. Yeah. Oh, it's suitable for all ages, diabetics, vegan, painting, keto, nutrition, healthy lifestyle. So I'm your plug. Let's get like a plug. Let me plug you guys. Yo, Helena. Guys, welcome back to get the delivery outside. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh guys, I'm so happy. I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. I'm so happy. Hey guys, let me show you what's inside, and don't mind my crustiness because like I'm at home, I was doing nothing. This is how I look when I'm home. Period. Let's unbox Gabo, my love. Board love. Whoa. Ooh. Ooh. And also the my phone cover. I'll actually do a proper unboxing and show you what's inside and how much I got there. Ooh, I love this. I love this. Okay, this is for my boyfriend. This is for me. I'll actually unbox properly and show you the items I got. I love this, guys. Oh, this is for me, and the other one is for my boyfriend. So tiny, guys. I love him so much. Oh, I love this cover. I'm gonna put it now. I can sing it out. I'm gonna put it. What's this? Oh, we'll check properly. What did I buy? What did I? Alright, guys, let me just put them back. Get all the bones in there. Okay, I'm so excited, guys. Oh, I get to be cute. I get to be cute, right? Oh, I also got this cute shoes. I hope they are comfortable. Yo, what about now? I'll show you guys the items and how much I got them for. Oh, this cute bag. I also got a cutie bag. Oh, here's another cover. I think this one is for my boyfriend. It's for my man. For my man. Okay. What's this? Oh, it's another bag. And there's a dress. I got so many phone covers. Also, this is for my boyfriend. Okay, this one is for me. This is for a friend. This is for our friend with my boyfriend. Okay, guys, let me just unbox Skillabonsi because later I got it. It's fine, Nana. So I can't wait. Ooh, okay, let me remove these. It's a dress. I'm gonna wear this when I go on a date with my man, showing some skin, you know. Okay, next, and here it's a bag. Let me show you guys how the bag looks like. I didn't plan on doing this, what I'm doing right now, but I'm too excited, so I decided to do it. to show you guys the things that I got. Okay, let's see the guys, I got this beautiful dress. I'm gonna wear it when I go on a date with my man with some cute heels with a bag. I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna look so pretty. Plus, my man loves dresses. You know how Zulu men are. They love. Guys, I'm sorry for always mentioning my man. It's easy. Like, it's not easy. But how do you hair? Oh, this is a dress. It's some cute chill dress that I got. It's open here on the side. It's so chilled. And I slit to show the thighs. So it says yellow. Okay, next one. It's also a dress. I think I love this one more. It's actually similar to that one. So it's gonna show some boobies for the girl. I think also, oh, this one has a huge slit, my dear. It has a huge slit. I love it. I love it more actually. And then, oh, let me show you guys this bag that I got. This cutie bag that I got. And I love the color. It's so nice. Like pinky yellow, what? It's very nice. Oh, and then I got this many phone covers because I think I'm obsessed with changing my covers. And these are the phone covers that I got for me and my boyfriend. Yeah, so I think I should change my phone cover right now here on the spot because I'm already tired of that one. Let me see. Oh, this one I got it for me and my man. You see, you're gonna be matching. Also, the ones that we got previously, we were matching. So, okay. So, let's see the other. Okay, this is very cute. It's giving girly vibes. La one, this is. So yeah, guys. Is it? Oh, this for me. Oh, I should have bought this for myself as well. I love it, but it's for my boyfriend. So yeah, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching my, what's this? Oh, I also love this. I think I should put this one now. Right now, let me take it out because oh guys, I'm so in love. It's so girly. It's giving. Oh, also the quality lavana. Oh, oh, look at this crusty, but I guess I'm still pretty, you know, because umona ha alet enana ale haye. Ke leboha he baratuwa. Re tla bonanang hape hosane. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Besties, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. So guys, I'm gonna go take a what's this? A quick shower, then prepare lunch for the family. See you guys very soon. Shower o'clock. Pelabua, what are you unboxing? Unbox with us. Not with us, actually.
Okay. Hello, guys. Unbox with me. My fortune cookie. So, let's see. Alright. Let's see.
Let's see what's inside.
Alright, come closer.
Message
Okay, a friend is one of the best things you can have and one of the nicest things to be. Oh my god.
Oh my gushy gushy. Hey guys, now I'm done showering, so I'm gonna go prepare lunch, finish up with the lunch, and then after preparing lunch we're gonna go to the mall, run a few errands. See you guys in the kitchen. Prepare lunch with some whiskey, guys.
On the go and nothing gets past me. I've been through it all, so I don't give a fuck. We used to hold it down if I just give it up. I'm just trying to feel you up, take it slow, free your mind. Shit, I just wanna take my time. I don't wanna rush the night. I hope that you don't take this wrong, but don't refer to me as your shawty when you just wanna feel on my body. I know you wanna see me get naughty. Well, step your ass up, so don't fuck with anybody. I wanna be in your life until the night is over.
Guys came to shopping with skin se shakile nyana no. Sao. Ba bontsha lo shapile no. Ke khathetse clack. And it's only the bilingi. The bilingi. So guys, today oh la gata mo sheba na le ba so guys, about the hoodie, you know, and we didn't get what we wanted for Mr. Price. So now we're gonna go check at Ackermans. Yeah. So yeah guys, we're gonna go check there. Oh, it's not giving, it's not it. A black thing. Banyan and one. California. Oh, but a black. Oh guys, we were shopping. Delivery guys. So because we regular mattress. So we do take a mock on Rapolo. We are cruising nice. We are cruising nice. We are cruising nicely. When I spot the says guys. Because what you say to Lo Sebetani, how do you come to work with your partner? Now your clients don't have to sit, don't have a place to sit. I'm a simba onje. I'm a simba now. Look at her. Ka ka bona le diphilo. Ke momo mara.
No go bale clar.
Yo. La di bona di views. Ah, Shalila.
Mama thabile mga chika lo gone.
Hey, we are cruising nicely. Is this my girlfriend? What the hell is this? Sometimes we want to be influencer too.
Face the reality.
Face the reality. No, we are facing the reality. Whoa, eh, matata man. You was fantastic.
Wow. Views on top of views. Next, otherwise, go. That's okay. Hello, get it left. Yo, I nyani.
We are finally home.
So, yeah, mo. Yeah.
Re fitlhile mo ntlong guys.